Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Smeg dishwasher quickly so it works properly again. First, turn off your dishwasher and unplug it from the power outlet. Waiting a few minutes allows the internal electronics to fully power down. Next, press and hold the Start Reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. On most Smeg models, this will clear any active error codes and reset the control board. Plug the dishwasher back in and turn it on. Select a standard wash cycle and press Start. This triggers the system to initialize and restore default settings. If your dishwasher has a digital display showing an error code, note the code before resetting. After the reset, check if the error disappears. Persistent errors may require professional service. Also, make sure the door is fully closed and the water supply is on. The dishwasher won't reset or start if it detects a door latch or water flow issue. By following these steps, you can reset your Smeg dishwasher fast and get it running smoothly again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.